What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about League of Kingdoms Arena, also known as Loka. So it has been pumping up in value in the last 24 hours, 27% up, making it just under 65 cents. So is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. How far can League of Kingdoms Arena go? How high and how low can it go? And looking at, is it worth investing into it right now, or should you wait for it to drop back down, or should you just invest into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, in the last hour itself, the market has just about fluctuated at the current price range, and Loka has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list on the Coinbase website, which is absolutely insane. So in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain a massive 7% in value, even though it has been very volatile, up and down. Overall, it is still up 7%. Over the last day, 33%. It all started very early this morning. It was fluctuating around 50 cents. Pumped up to about 76 cents, dropped down to 64, then pumped up again to about 81 cents about an hour or two ago, then right now dropping back down. Over the week, it is 15% up, and over the month, 15% down, guys, consistently dropping in value over the last 4 weeks. Major drops here in mid-August, and even here as well over the last 3, 4, 5 days. And today it's decided to pump up in value. But yeah, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 1,200% in the last 24 hours, making it $58.6 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Loka. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 88% buy against 12% sell. So we've got way more investors than sellers. So yeah, a lot of people are getting into it at the moment. So let's get straight into the video, guys, or in the main part of the video, shall I say. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, guys, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing League of Kingdoms Arena at 64 cents. However, it is trading at 65 cents. It's but it's currently trading at 64 cents. So more or less, it's fluctuating at the very similar price range to the average value, meaning it's performing quite well and just about average. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We've got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So overall, we do have two lines going the opposite direction, but again, they are just about slanting in a positive and a negative direction. So more or less, I'm expecting it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Loka to trade at around 60 to 65 cents, somewhere in between there, with major peaks and dips in between. But again, over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting the crypto to peak up in value, drop down in value as well, so up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect it to trade around the current price range. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and again, they're looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not as realistic, because if I did go by what the graph is showing us, do expect pumps in value over the next 7-8 days quite consistently, which is not true at all, which is not realistic. So The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the next 7-8 days. So towards the end of this week, we should be back down to about 50 cents, 50 to 55 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles or green candles consistently. It's going to be volatile. We are going to see peaks, we are going to see dips. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall drop in value. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Again, very similar to the previous chart. We've got again two lines going the opposite direction, but the blue line is looking a little bit more steep, going in a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. I'm talking about early October to mid-October. We should be around 75 to 80 cents target. But again, guys, this could change according to any major pumps, major crashes that take place in the crypto market. Obviously, if Bitcoin decides to have a major crash going down to about 10-15k, we are going to see most cryptos dropping as well and crashing. However, if we do see Bitcoin pumping up in value to about 25-30k, then we are going to see most cryptos pumping up in value as well. But again, these things, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So with the major pump that's taking place on Loka, I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto saying it's a pump and dump token, it's a scam, it's going to drop back down. And I've seen comments saying it's going to hit the dollar mark, the $2 mark over the next couple of days. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below what your predictions are on this crypto. I want to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see what your predictions are. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we are trading in the red zone, and not only that, we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone. We initially dropped into the red zone in May, so 11th of May is when we dropped into the red zone, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse, and it's about to get even worse over the next couple of days as well. So yeah, for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least $1.65, which we are not close to. We're going to have to go about a 250 to 300% increase for us to even hit the resistance level of the green zone here, which I'm not expecting from Loka anytime soon. So for most of the year, it's very likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Loka, guys. Let me know what your expectations are, as I'm very intrigued. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, do predictions on, let me know in the comment section down below. I've seen a lot of comments, a lot of DMs regarding different cryptos, which I'm working on them. But yeah, if you guys do have any other cryptos that you guys want me to focus on, comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.